Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new, I go by the name Felista Stoili. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So as the title suggests, I'm going to try a DIY, an easy one for that matter. I'm going to do a face egg peel-off mask. Yeah, so this mask will help to remove blackheads, number one. Number two, it will minimize the pores on your face. Then lastly, it will peel off the dead skin. For me, like anything to do with the face or my skin, as long as it has like the end results are beneficial and good to me, I'm game. Yeah, so you should stick around to see how this one will go. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to mix the egg. This is my egg, so I'm just interested in the egg white, not the yolk. So I'm going to break it. My mask is ready, guys. This is the consistency that I wanted. Yeah, so it's ready for application. So I'm going to use my brush. First I'm going to apply on my face, then I'll show you the next step. I'm going to take a tissue. So you take a tissue paper, one piece, and I'm going to put on this side. Then I'm going to apply the mask again to seal it here. Then I'm going to take another piece, this other side. I think it's dry. I'll put some. So I have finished the application, so I'm going to stay for some few minutes until it's completely dry. Then I'll peel it off. So this is how it looks like. The mask is dry, as you can see, so I want to remove it. So you can start from this part. You can see it's coming off. My face feels dry, so I'm going to wash off my face, then I'll come back and give it the final thoughts. So I'm done washing my face. Now I'm going to pat it dry. Next, I'm going to moisturize my face, so I'm going to use my shea butter from Preferable Creations. You can check her out on Instagram. So after I washed off the mask, my face felt really smooth, and I'm very impressed. Like, I feel soft. Yeah, but I would advise you, maybe if you have blackheads or whiteheads, you can try out, and I'd really love to hear your feedback, if it disappeared or what happened after. Yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to stay safe and see you in the